Alright, di pa daan. Alright, good morning guys. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another episode. We're gonna go right to work, but this time we'll take the Multistrada. It's been a while. I think yung huling ginamit natin tong Multistrada is nung pina-service natin siya sa Speed Demon. Yeah, we need to use it. Magtatampo na si Multi. Abot na abot ko siya ngayon. Either tumangkad ako o bumaba yung motor. What do you think, guys? Good morning!
I like the sound of this bike. Sounds good when you start it up out here.
Yeah, the cold start is pretty wild, yeah.
I like the sound of it.
When are you gonna try it, man?
Yeah, I will. I just can't get me one, then I gotta have one of each.
There you go. Try this one first. Yeah, no, I mean, next time. I mean, the weather's nice.
Yeah.
Take it for a spin, like take it to Red Rock or something.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright. Late na. Damn, this bike's so big now. Hindi na ako sanay sa malaking motor, guys. Puro tayo Vespa in the last 3 weeks. Na-neglect na ng gusto si Multistrada. Dito tayo. One thing that I need to invest on this bike, kailangan ko siyang bilan ng bike cover. Grabe, look, napaka-ewan ko kung nakikita sa camera, pero sobrang dusty. Sobrang dusty ng Multistrada kasi hindi nagagamit. Tapos wala pa siyang gas. Mamayang gabi na tayo mag-gas pa uwi. So again, we're doing another attempt on the 3-camera setup. Camera A, which is this one, the main camera, B camera, and we have the C camera just behind my right foot here sa taas ng exhaust. So sana this time mas magawa natin ang tama. You know, nasanay ako for the last year or maybe 8 months, I've been using 2 cameras. You know, one is the main GoPro na naka-attach sa helmet natin, and then the second camera that I was using was the 360. Yun yung nakaharap sa atin dito. So ngayon we added another GoPro, tapos yung 360 nilipat natin sa other location ng bike. It's hard when you're not used to things. It's hard, you know, kasi nawawala ka dun sa routine mo na you just have to take another extra step to make it work. Pero okay naman, sa editing naman, when yung some footage that we did on Red Rock, yung ibang footage na sinubukan natin, gumana naman siya. Yun nga lang, majority of the footage I lost kasi nabuksan ko yung B cam tsaka yung C cam, pero yung A cam nakalimutan kong i-on, or I thought I turned it on, pero I guess hindi pala. Kaya sayang. Sabi nga ni Johnny, those things happen. Sabi niya, kahit siguro sa kanya nangyayari din. I'm sure it happens to anybody. But yeah, it's cool. We're testing this out. Sayang wala tayong kasabay. Maganda sana kung may kasabay tayo para napapakita natin sila dun sa C-cam natin, di ba? So ngayon, magpapaning-paning na lang tayo. Papakita ko sa inyo yung traffic. And then hopefully, umabot yung battery ng B-cam all the way sa strip. And then we can turn everything off, and then we'll see how we can edit this. Kasi parang ito lang yung 100%. When I turned on the camera for the B-cam, it was 38%. So I doubt na aabot yan dun. Congratulations nga pala kay Bomac TV for getting his new main camera. He got Insta360 X3 Pro. Super excited siya, and hopefully matutunan niya agad kung paano gamitin, and he's gonna be able to push some contents out. Pero syempre meron pang transition period din kasi bago yung mga gamit mo, you know, lilipat ka, so parang kailangan masanay ka pa uli sa sistema mo. Vegas traffic on a Friday is pretty moderate. moderate to heavy. Bukas paluluwag yan kasi weekend. Uy, S2K carbon fiber rooftop. Nice. Ito na yung traffic na sinasabi natin, yung moderate traffic. Moving siya pero alright, magli-lane split na tayo guys. Kaya nakakatakot yung mga lumalabas sa sasakyan eh. Mahirap minsan sa motovlogging or sa recording ng gantong ginagawa natin, what I'm sharing with you guys. Napaka-conscious ko pa rin na alam ko nagro-roll yung camera. Kaya parang minsan ang hirap magsalita or ang hirap maghanap ng subject or topic sa pag-uusapan natin kasi parang alam mo, hindi na sa nahihiya, parang andun na yon, nahihiya ka or nako-conscious ka kasi yung camera. It's all mental, to be honest with you. I think it's mental. Hindi pa rin ako yung tipong free will na pagkainon ko yung camera, forget about it and just do whatever. Hindi pa rin ganun eh. Hindi pa ganun ka-natural yung feeling. I mean, you learn every day, you learn every time. Yes, medyo malakas tayo mag-upload. So maraming repetitive things na nagagawa natin sa, maraming practice, and practice makes it perfect. So minsan siguro dumarating yung part na parang boring, paulit-ulit yung ginagawa mo, nagre-repeat lang. Pero hindi, I mean, it's part of it, I guess, naisip ko lang parang it's the same thing when I was learning how to drift. Paulit-ulit naman yung ginagawa ko and I try to make it, yung lesson yung repeats pero paganda na paganda yung driving. Parang the easiest way to really say it is practice makes perfect. And anything that you do in life with even this with motovlogging, yung setup, preparation, video, editing, all that comes into play. Nagiging routine siya and then napapractice ka na napapractice. You just get used to it and it becomes second nature. And then after that, parang dumadali na siya kasi parang alam mo na, natural na sa'yo yung gagawin mo. And then after that, you practice the technique, the style, the execution. And then after that, I guess you start producing good videos. You just have to really be patient and stick with the process and understand everything and learn from it. And then after that, you just see the progress, you see your progression and you see the results. So yeah, that's what's on my mind. So yun lang i-share natin. But anyway, we are here lumagpas na tayo sa strip, mag-o-open up na to. As you can see, yung lagi kong vinivideohan na Raider Stadium, Allegiant Stadium, dadaanan na natin siya. I think this is where I'm gonna be ending the vlog. Hindi ko na kayo dadalhin all the way sa work. May napag-usapan naman tayong kahit konti. And I think I could use that as a topic for our vlog today. And yes, very happy to ride the Multistrada again. That's it. Thank you guys for coming with me today sa ating biyahe sa work or halfway biyahe sa work. We'll continue this on the next episode. Thank you guys. God bless and be a blessing to one another. Alright, see you guys.